Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to create a file in Saral PayPack. To create a new file, open the Saral PayPack application and click on New under File menu. You can create a file in Saral PayPack in the same way as you create a file in any Windows-based application. Once a file is created, the system will automatically assign .rpp extension of your file, which is as similar to a Word document which assigns .doc extension on a file creation. For creating a file, you need to provide the file name, which will help you to identify the file. While entering the name of the file, ensure that the file name does not start with a number or the name does not contain any special character. Then enter the server name under which the file is to be created. Note that the server name will be your system name and SQL database name where the file is stored. Typically, the SQL database will be ReliOnDB. After entering the file details, if the database of the file has to be password secured, then enable SQL authentication under SQL login tab and provide the username and password of the database. The username is by default SA and the password will be the one provided by you during the installation of the software. Next, under the Data File Setting tab, specify the data path. Here, the data paths are to be set for MDF and LDF files as well as for data directory. After entering all the details, click on Create to create the file. The file will be created and opened for further process. This completes the process of file creation in Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.